this video is all about for your guidance about the APSEX Assessment Policy 2020-2021. I will discuss about round 2 assignments and projects and why the round 2 is important here. So what are the key points? First I will discuss about round 2, then assessment on the basis of attendance, and then I will discuss about criteria of marking. So first of all, talking about round 2. So as you know that our round 1 has been completed before Eid al-Fitr, and now there is a initiative of round 2. In this round you have to submit 6 assignments and projects accordingly. But why this round is important? Because this round will be a key criteria for the marking and assessment of students. And how the assessment will be done? Assessment will be done on the basis of attendance and assignments or projects uploaded on AIS. You have to upload your assignments on the student portal, and your assessment will be done according to the assignments you have uploaded. Second thing is your attendance is very important. Your attendance is mandatory for both Zoom classes and for the WhatsApp. All the links, all the assignments will be shared in your groups. What you have to do is you have to complete your assignments weekly, okay, and then you have to upload the file on the AIS in the respected subject option. Okay students, so what you have to do, you have to do your daily task daily, and then you will make a single file by compiling the all work in one file for a week, and then you will upload it on the AIS. You will not upload the work on daily basis for a work, for a subject, okay. For example, on the 5 working days you will be given 5 tasks, maybe by a teacher. You have to do that, and then you will take the pictures, and then you will convert your file in the Word or PDF form, and then you will upload it on the student portal. Next one is what is the criteria of marking, and then I will discuss it in later on. So next thing is that is what is the project and research work. All the projects related to the subjects will be given to you. It will be mentioned in your assignment. You can upload your you can download your assignments from your student portal also, and the assignments will be shared in the groups. So what you have to do, all the projects you will be given in the respective subjects, you have to do that very good, and you will be assessed so that it must be well presented and submitted timely. So the time is very important for submission of both assignments and projects, okay. Then it must reflect students' creative thinking and must be done by these students. It must be done by the student, not by the parents. So make sure that you are doing your project. Your parents are not doing your project. So for that, what you have to do, you have to take the photos of what you are doing in your project timely in different stages, like when you are starting your project, and then in the middle, and then at the end you will take few pictures as a proof that you are doing your project by yourself. And the fourth thing is that you will make your own video. You will make your own video to present what you have done, what was the purpose of your project, what you have learned through the project, and what were the various stages through which you have been passed while making the presentation, while making the project. So what you have to do, you have to make your project, you have to submit your project timely, you have to well present it, and make sure that you are doing your project. And what is the marking criteria for the assignments and projects? Here is the marking indicators of assignment. So if you will complete and submit your assignments on the student portal, you will be awarded with the 2 marks, and the 1 mark will be allocated if the answers of the question shows that you have understood the question. One is for the 1 mark is for presentation of the work. Presentation of work is very important. Make sure your work presentation is very good and your writing is very good, and you did a very neat and clean work. And if you have drawn some diagram, so your diagram should be very clear and very good. And the last one is creativity, and if some creative work and some creative thinking has been given to your assignments, so 1 work will be allocated to that. Second, this is the marks indicator for project. For material use, you will be awarded with the 1 mark, and then if for the process and content presentation, you will be awarded by 1 and 1 respectively. For the results are aligned to the, if your presentation is according to the objective for what purpose the project was given, if it is fulfilled, you will be awarded with the 1 mark. And the 1 mark for the presentation, if your work project presentation is very good, you will be awarded with the 1 mark. So total marks for both assignments and project is 5. If some computer science project is given to you, like some computer science work like formatting of text, for some you have to write something or what else, so you have to do what are the marks indicator for that. If you are using the correct tool, you will be awarded with the 2 marks, and if your completion of all the steps, you will be awarded 2 marks, and then presentation of work will be 1 mark. So total mark will be 5. So whatever you are doing assignments or projects, the total marks will be 5. So here is the marking and grades. So you will be not given with the marks. Teacher will mark your assignments and then they will award you the grades accordingly. If your marks lie between 4 to 5, you will be awarded with A grade. If it is between 3 to 3.9, you will be awarded with the B and C, and so on. So okay, so you will be awarded with the A, B and C and D according to your marks. Okay, the parents were asking about the sites for uploading the assignment, where you have to upload. You have to upload your assignments on the student portal of APMS. Okay, you can use this link for the direct login in the student portal, and after logging in, you will have this web page. What you have to do, you have to enter the B form number of your child you have provided the school, and then you will enter the date of birth, and then you will click the sign in. After clicking the sign in, you will come here on this web page, and what you have to do is you have to click the assignments. Here you can submit the assignments, you can check the you can check which assignments have been checked. You can delete the assignment, and you can also view the course book. If you want some course book like integrated studies or any other book, these books are provided with the unlimited pages in the PDF form, so you can download it from here directly. And then how you can submit your assignment, you can click the submit assignment, and then this web page will open. You will select like English, or you will select this one, and then you will select the week. For example, this is around week 1. You will select this week, and then in this you will click it, and then you will upload the file. You can upload any file of your assignment. Okay, and then you will go for submit the assignment. Okay, so in this way your assignment will be submitted on the student portal. Okay students, so there are some video tutorials. Video tutorial is also available on your student portal. You can also see that. Okay, So this was all about your online assignments. I hope you have learned. Khuda Hafiz.